Now, shifting our focus to the national capital, Punjabi actor singer Diljit Dosanjh had an amazing start to 2025 with a meeting with the Prime Minister yesterday. Now, sharing the experience on X, the singer wrote, "It was fantastic start to the year 2025, mentioning that they discussed various topics including music. Prime Minister also shared his perspective on the meeting, highlighting Diljit's talent and tradition, saying that they connected over music, culture and more.
हिंदुस्तान के गांव का एक लड़का जब दुनिया में नाम रोशन करता है तो अच्छा लगता है। आपके परिवार ने नाम दिलजीत रखा तो आप जीतते ही जाते हो लोगों को।
हम पढ़ते थे कि मेरा भारत महान। जब मैं भारत घूमा ना जी पूरा तो मेरे को पता चला ये क्यों कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान।
सचमुच में भारत की विशालता एक अपना शक्ति है जी। हम लोग एक वाइब्रेंट सोसाइटी है।
भारत में सबसे बड़ा कोई जादू जिसको कह लो तो वो योग है।
और जिसने योगा को अनुभव किया है वो उसकी ताकत जानता है।
हाँ जी, मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू देखा था सर अभी हाल ही में। हमारे लिए आप प्रधानमंत्री एक बहुत बड़ा पद है, तो हम शायद एक जो उसके पीछे एक माँ और बेटा और इंसान है वो कई बार वो भूल जाता है, क्योंकि एक औहदा बहुत बड़ा है। जब आप अपने माँ को लेके और गंगा मैया को लेके वो दिल भरा वो टच होता था। एक्चुअली ये दिल से बात निकली है तभी दिल तक गई। ओ कहंदे किथे है तेरा रब दिसदा ही नहीं, मैं कहा अखां बंद कर ध्यान तर महसूस कर, गुरु नानक ता अंग संग है तू ही बस गैर हाजिर है, गुरु नानक गुरु नानक गुरु नानक।
Crossing over to my colleague Pradeep Datta, who joins us live on the broadcast. Good morning, Pradeep. Now, it appears like Diljit Dosanjh had an amazing start to year 2025. He met with the Prime Minister yesterday. In fact, they discussed yoga, India's vibrancy, and also he sang a song for the Prime Minister as well, after which the Prime Minister, of course, praised him. Give us more detail.
Yes, it's going to be one of the most memorable moments for Diljit Dosanjh, because after completing his Illuminati tour, he met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and discussed, you rightly said, the range of topics from the vastness of India, vibrancy to music and benefits of yoga. And singer praised Prime Minister Modi and said the way he spoke about his mother and the river Ganga, and that really touched his heart. He said, "Dil se dil tak baat pahunchti hai." That's what actually he said. Prime Minister also had all praise for Diljit Dosanjh. He said that how a boy from an Indian village makes India's name shine. It feels good. And Prime Minister said that the family has kept a right name, Diljit, and you are winning the hearts of the people with your music. And what was more important was that while Diljit Dosanjh sang a song for the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister himself was, you can see, beating the table, playing music. And that really shows that how, in fact, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi really encourages the talent, whosoever is a talented person. Prime Minister always, we have seen that in the past he has met the Bollywood people also. He was always trying to encourage their good work, and here in this case he was trying to encourage Diljit Dosanjh, because who else other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi can understand? Because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has himself come from the humble background, and he has rose to this position, become a Prime Minister. So he very well understands that Diljit Dosanjh, who has come from a village, and today he has also made his name and winning hearts of the people with his music that he's playing. So Prime Minister was all good words for him, and Diljit Dosanjh was having all good words for Prime Minister. And Diljit Dosanjh also talked about Prime Minister's love and affection for his mother, how he used to meet her, about what he used to about his Ganga Ma also. He said that whenever he had seen all these things on television, his always heart overcame with emotions. So it was a very emotional kind of a moment between the Diljit Dosanjh and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And that's why he wrote on the Instagram also, what a beautiful start for the year 2025. And I think this is the best one and the memorable moment for him, because Diljit Dosanjh during his tour also had to face many problems this time, because many times we have seen that there had been advisory while he was touring, and in some of the places he was asked to tweak his songs. But after, I think that all those controversies he had, it's definitely going to settle down because finally he has got the pat on the back by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And one can see in those videos and the pictures also how Prime Minister Narendra Modi patted on his back, encouraged him, and had all praise for him for his music and the kind of work he's doing and winning hearts of the people. And
All
it
right.
was like equal mutual admiration for each other. What one
Absolutely.
could
So the
see.
Prime Minister also said that both of them connected over music, culture and more. Let's once again listen in to the interaction between the two.
हिंदुस्तान के गांव का एक लड़का जब दुनिया में नाम रोशन करता है तो अच्छा लगता है। आपके परिवार ने नाम दिलजीत रखा तो आप जीतते ही जाते हो लोगों को।
हम पढ़ते थे कि मेरा भारत महान। जब मैं भारत घूमा ना जी पूरा, तो मेरे को पता चला ये क्यों कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान।
सचमुच में भारत की विशालता एक अपना शक्ति है जी। हम लोग एक वाइब्रेंट सोसाइटी है
भारत में सबसे बड़ा कोई जादू जिसको कह लो तो वो योग है।
और जिसने योगा को अनुभव किया है वो उसकी ताकत जानता है।
हाँ जी सर, मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू देखा था सर अभी हाल ही में। हमारे लिए आप प्रधानमंत्री एक बहुत बड़ा पद है, तो हम शायद एक जो उसके पीछे एक माँ और बेटा और इंसान है वो कई बार वो भूल जाता है, क्योंकि एक औहदा बहुत बड़ा है। जब आप अपने माँ को लेके और गंगा मैया को लेके वो दिल भरा वो टच होता था। एक्चुअली ये दिल से बात निकली है तभी दिल तक गई। ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਧਰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਤਾਂ ਅੰਗ ਸੰਗ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਬਸ ਗੈਰ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ।